What's up, J-Fusion fans? This is Philip, and welcome back to another War of the Visions Final Fantasy Brave Exvius video. So this is picking up from last time. Now we are going to go to the event quests, and I'm going to show you guys the quests needed to farm the Engine Blade for Noctis and Valiant for Prompto. So as you can see here, we have the EX1 and EX2, and then the harder difficulty EX1 and EX2 missions or stages or quests. So the EX1 quests are for the Engine Blade, and the EX2 are for the Valiant. So I'm just going to do the level 50 ones because they're basically the same as the harder ones. So I'm using this composition here with Noctis. I actually removed Prompto because, well, he's not gonna survive these missions at his current level, to be completely honest. What I love about Noctis is that his moves have a lot of, or he has a lot of moves that actually enable him to basically teleport to any spot within his attack range. And he even has a support skill that allows him to do that. So basically what we have here is Noctis whizzing around the field. And you can see here that the boss has appeared. That's Aranea Highwind. And she'll also be a unit that you can summon, but at a later date. So right now, only Noctis and Prompto are available for this time. So you can see here, Aranea is actually a Dragoon. Of course, her version is going to be modified. So she will have, like, moves that are exclusive to her. But again, she's basically, yeah, a Dragoon. A lot of jumping attacks, like so. And as you see here, she is an ice unit. And she's down. So you can see here, you get materials and the recipes needed for the Engine Blade. Also, you get some special medals that you can use in the shop. So, while you can farm all the materials you need in these missions, of course, you can also buy them in the shop to make things easier. So now let's do the one for Valiant as well. See? Noctis gives support and then teleports. And you can see here that Aranea is also a boss. She's basically the boss actually in all these stages, so yeah. Aranea once again with the jump attacks. But Tidus takes her down. Ooh. And Noctis finishes the round with his own jump attack. They did not get the recipe for Valiant, which is fine. I do have a few copies of it, I do have a few pieces of that recipe already. So now what I'm going to do is actually go to the equipment page and show you the engine blade. So here we go. So yeah, that's already a maxed out engine blade plus 5. The only thing that I don't actually have maxed here is the magic stat. So 77 out of 78. So basically, which one should you go for? I, for one, would recommend the Assault. Because Noctis is still basically a physical attacker. Although you do see her quite an amount of magic, 78. I guess this would work if you sub Spellblade on Noctis, but I personally wouldn't do that. It wouldn't do much to help him. So yeah, I went for the Assault, although you do have like the magic version, which has a higher magic stat, I believe. But yeah, if I were to recommend any, like, if I were to recommend from like either the Assault or magic type, I would recommend the Assault. Definitely go for the Assault type. Now, I don't have the Valiant built yet. I believe I don't have enough materials. There we go. I have 9 copies of the Valiant recipe, so at this rate I can make like +2 Valiant. So right now it will have like a maximum of 76 attack, but yeah, it can go higher depending on the level. Like if you get to +5, I mean, it has defense penetration 20% when maxed out. I'm not sure if this is the gun you'd probably go for. A lot of people still consider the Raz Al Ghafi as the best gun in the game so far. But the Raz Al Ghafi is something that I don't have either, because I'm not much into gunner units. Maybe, you know, when the time comes and I would need a proper gun, I think Raz Al Ghafi is the best choice so far. But yeah, I'm not so focused. So let's take it, so let's check out the progress on my Noctis so far. So yeah, he's maxed out at level 89 as of this point. and I still lack about 94 shards. I've already done the shard quest for Noctis today. Each time you do this, you get like 5 shards. So yeah, I'm still working on this. But at this point, however, all of his basic skill tree skills are unlocked. So up here we have his EX skill tree. But yeah, the basic ones, pretty much, yeah, we all got this covered. There are just some skills that I chose not to unlock because I'm not gonna use them anyway, and I would rather save my job points for the EX skill tree once it's unlocked. I guess we could check on Prompto. Right now, I got him at level 2 Limit Break, and then Awakening level 3. So yeah, he's not, he's not as powerful as, you know, he's not powerful because I haven't really invested on him. I'm really focused on Noctis right now. Right, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do leave a like, comment, share this video, subscribe, and don't forget that notification bell so you get the latest from JE Fusion. This has been Philip, and I'll see you on the next War of the Visions Final Fantasy Brave Exvius.